We bought these outdoor lights, very modern. We wanted something that looks like a lantern, but wasn't really a lantern, because we want something unique, something new. This is during the day, and look how great it looks. So they have a lantern feel, but they're really, really up to date and classy. They give off a great light. I'm going to turn the light on and show you how bright it is even during the day. So I've turned the light on during the day, and as you can see, look how bright it is. And we have bright sunshine right now. I mean, you can see how blue the sky is. But it gives off such great light. And at night, it is so bright. It's perfect. I love how modern it is, actually. Very easy to install. My husband did it by himself.